Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Asphalt 8 with controller on PC in 2025. This process is super easy, so be sure to follow along. First, let's talk about setting it up. You can use any compatible controller you have. If you're using Xbox controller, all you need to do is connect via USB or wirelessly, and it should be automatically detected once you launch the game from the Microsoft Store. If you're using a PlayStation controller like a DualShock 4 or DualSense, you may need to download extra software like DS4 Windows to get it working properly. Once your controller is detected, you're good to go. Now, to make sure everything's set up, head over to the game settings and navigate to the control section. This is where you can ensure the controller is recognized. You might not be able to navigate through the menus using the controller, but don't worry, you can still use your mouse and keyboard to get through the menus. Once you're inside a race, though your controller should be fully functional, you'll even get a pop-up confirming that it's connected and working. The controls are set by default, but if you want to customize them, you can always pause the game and adjust them in the options menu. Asphalt 8 offers two types of control setups, so you can choose the one that works best for you. If you run into any issues, just restart the game and reconnect your controller. You can even do this mid-race. Sometimes unplugging and replugging your controller can help the game recognize it properly. And that is it. It's really that simple to play Asphalt 8 with the controller on PC. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.